No, I'm smiling because I'm excited to see everybody. Hale and hearty. Well. Looking good.
Managing.
You will only greet whoever I tell you it is safe to greet. Do you understand?
Mom, she is...
You will not argue with me over this. It is for your own good.
I swear, my daughter, you are welcome. I thank God for bringing you back in one place. Come here.
Did you see how the happy look on her face changed the moment she walked in and saw how happy we were? Esoe, things are not always what they seem. Not everybody will be happy that you are back from overseas. Always remember this. My husband, I think we have to protect Essie. I sincerely think her life is in danger.
This one doesn't come to that.
Hey, Mom. Essie, welcome home.
Welcome home.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. I have a very vital information for you. I don't even know how you handle this information. My problem is if I tell you this thing now, you might just faint. Eh? Sorry, sir. It's not like you will faint, but it's very vital information.
So what is it you want to tell me?
Sir, your son, Eronze, is around.
But you already told me that on phone.
I know, but you know when you want to give somebody breaking news, it's better said face to face.
When are you going to receive sense?
My son!
Wanda!
Wow, it's good to be home. I've been hosting. Where have you been?
You know, I took my forever diamond out for a drink. You know,
Mm-hmm.
you know to heal a broken heart is to fall in love with you.
Wow, I miss both of you.
How's your flight?
Smooth, little turbulence, but I'm fine. I'm okay. Thank God.
Oh, come on, young man.
Oh,
Come on, go finish eating your food before your mother makes you forget that you were actually eating before we came. Come on, go on.
Okay. All is good? Yes, sir. What if you?
Oh.
Wow, I miss both of you.
I missed you, Mom. I missed you, Mom.
Honestly, I was so excited.
It's alright, Mom. I will soon be home. I hope nobody's giving you issues in that house.
Everything is fine, my dear.
Mom, I know you. Even if they are giving you issues, you will keep enduring. Mom, just tell me, so I can pay them back when I come. Yeah, but my dear man, I really have to go now, okay? Talk to you later. Bye. Otaho. You really think I was acting weird? You want to pretend that all I was saying in there did not make any sense to you?
Ine, what exactly do you want me to do?
That's
I
want you to be the opposite of your father. Osaho, you are a man. And you can take actions. I am sure that woman is planning some kind of evil in that her dirty shrine for your sister.
Evil?
Yes.
Why would she plan evil for Essie? Mom, she has not killed me or any member of this family.
Osaho, so you have joined your father to wait until she kills one of us before you know she's evil? Has she ever given us peace of mind in this house? Osaho, if that woman kills Essie, I, Adeswa, will never forgive you and your father.
Ine, what makes you think she wants to kill Essie?
Osaho, have you ever traveled to America and come back? Think about this. Ariana. Osaho, Ariana. Osaho, Ariana.
You see this? I miss the scenario.
I know.
So much. That air, the serenity, it's magical. Like, what's going on? Mom is really making me apprehensive. Why does she think my life is in danger?
Essie, please. Mom is just being paranoid. Okay? Now forget Mom. And tell me about the guy you mentioned. That's the kind of cheese I want in my life right now.
No.
Start talking.
Oh God, no.
Talk. Mm-hmm.
He's nice.
Okay.
He's loving.
Mm-hmm.
From a good home.
Okay.
Caring.
Mm-hmm. Plus, he loves me. Huh? He loves you. He said he loves you.
Well,
I say, please. When a guy says he loves a girl these days, he's talking about her boobs and curves.
stop. You are incorrigible.
But that's the truth.
No.
That's the truth.
Mom, you should be resting by now. Edomo, you should know better than to keep her up.
After a long journey.
I'm fine. Honestly, it's not her fault.
No, you don't have to rise to her defense. I know her more than you do. And I know sometimes she does not at her age.
Mom! Listen, it's honestly, hey!
Please. Let's go inside so you can tell me everything that I need to know.
Thank you. Sorry. Hello? Yes.
I'm sorry, baby. I know I should have called you before now, but it's been really busy here. Thank you. I miss you so much. Alright, love. Night. Alright.
Dad, the way you and Mom are fussing over Essie is not good for anybody. That is the point I'm trying to make here.
Osama,
Sir?
are you jealous of your sister?
What? Me, jealous? I'm not jealous.
Cool.
Did I say anything when you bought her a car?
Mm-hmm. What is wrong in buying her a car? No, tell me. Someone who was used to ease of transport abroad where she lived. You want her to come back here now and be walking the entire village on bare feet? Huh? What is wrong is also trying to make her life easy here by getting her a car to move about with.
Dad, I bought my own car and I'm not bothered. But Edomo is also your daughter. So she doesn't deserve the ease of transport.
This is what you should have said since morning. Now I know what your problem is. So I should also buy Edomo a car. Simply because I bought Essie one, right?
Dad, that is not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that the way you and Mom carry on with Essie, it seems like our life don't really matter to you people.
There will be.
Mom, where are you going?
You should be giving me answers to that question.
You didn't ask me where I was going. I asked you.
Evie, when are you bringing him home?
Who? Bring who home?
You need to bring him home. At least for me to know the kind of son-in-law I'm expecting. Mom, hey, mommy.
I was just going to see the boy.
Evie, bring the boy to your mother.
I am trying to go see the guy that is helping me with my admission and my travel papers. Or you don't want me to go abroad anymore? Do you want me to marry and settle here? Huh? Mom?
Omonoji. Omonoji. Where did your mind wander off to?
I'm sorry. I was just, I'm sorry. What was it you asked?
Please, I want you to be honest with me. Be sincere.
Okay.
Are you sincerely happy that Esohe is back?
Of course I am. Why did you ask?
I want you to assure us that Elsie is safe in this house.
Why should I give you that assurance?
My husband, have you seen why I wanted this? If Omoroje cannot give us the assurance that Elsie is safe in this house, if I don't know here, how can my heart be at peace?
Here.
Does this not show that she has a sinister plan?
Excuse me. A sinister plan. Adeswa, are you free? Are you alright?
There is no need for all any banter here. I only asked a simple question. Answer me. Is Essie safe?
Excuse me.
Huh?
You understand better now, don't you?
Hey. Why are you following me? Don't you want me to follow you? Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, I just want to look soft. I thought we were going out. Answer my question. Am I mad? Why won't I answer your question? I'm answering your question.
Hey, stop it.
Stop it. What is wrong with you? Don't you ever answer my question with questions?
Sorry.
Give me a straight answer. Where the hell are you going dressed like this?
Boss.
Your dad asked me to show you around. And when I look at this, your setting, I understand that this your movement has to do with women. Yes, you understand? And it's only me that will differentiate the women from you because we have so many fake women. The original follow come, I will show you the difference. You understand? From head to toe. Some carry front, carry back, all of them, they're not real, they're not original. You understand? It's customized. So it's only me that will show you. I will touch them, understand them, then you can carry on. You understand me? Let's just go.
All right. You know what? Stay here and wait for me.
Wait, no. I should stay here. Stay there and wait for me. Bros.
Listen, darling. I suggest we allow him plan his life. He did not derail when he was abroad. So what makes you think now he will derail when he's here with us?
Look, my dear wife, children of this generation have a different worldview. We must continually guide them, especially as it concerns culture transmission. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, they will imbibe what everybody thinks of us. You see what I'm saying?
I understand.
Atalo. Vibe. Atalo, son. Where is my son?
Didn't he tell you where he was going?
Atalo.
Sorry, sir. You asked me to follow your son.
Yes, I did.
In fact, you told me to show him around.
Yes.
But he asked me to stand here and wait for him. But you know me, I am loyal. And they say obedience is better than sacrifice. So that is why I am standing there. I'm not supposed to move. You will say move. You say move. This one say move. This one say go. This one say go.
She was my best friend.
Wow.
Fell in love. Finally.
No. I'll call you back in a minute. No, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Here I am.
Well, you still didn't tell me you were coming.
I walked in here, saw your lovely parents, introduced myself. As there's something not to be here.
No, you didn't. No. You. No. What is wrong with you? No. Oh. No. No.
What did you say?
Oh God. You are unbelievable. Are you going to ask me properly? You're just going to keep nailing me.
Alright, so do you like that? Alright. Do just what she wants me to do. Okay. Alright. My angel. The one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please. Will you marry me?
My parents can literally hear you.
Will you marry me?
Yes. You are so disgusting. In a good way. No. No way, I swear. Oh my God. Whoa. No, please. I swear. Oh my God. Shameful. Oh my God, look, okay, my parents. Did you make a video? I swear. I have to. Can you tell me by a camera right now? I can't.
When it has to do with things that concerns this town, I think I know better than him. Yes, Ma, please don't give me that look. Why I'm saying this is because your son will give me order, I will take. But if your papa give him, he no go take. The father asked me to follow him everywhere he's going, but your son will not allow me follow him. What is the problem?
My son is grown up. I think he can find his way around.
I agree with you. But you see, when it concerns issue of girls...
Has my son been frolicking with girls?
No, don't get me wrong, ma. I think it's the other way around. You see, your son is a fresh boy.
they will finish him. They will lick him like lollipop, lick the sweet and chew the stick. And that will be a very big problem. But he needs somebody like me to show him around. When it comes to girls for this town, now me they run her. You understand? In fact, you can call me girls. You understand? I'm just saying all these things so I can be able to differentiate for him. The ones that are undergoing reconstruction and renovation. I don't want him to make mistake so that he will not go and carry all these plastic girls.
Plastic girls?
Wow, when I say plastic girls, I know you know plastic rice. The same way, we still have plastic girls.
Wait a minute. How come you know so much about these girls?
Which girls? Is it the same girls we're talking about? Your son is here now. I don't want you to make a mistake. Understand?
My son. You're welcome.
Mom, guess what?
What?
Your son is ready for marriage.
Really? Yes! Congratulations!
Mom, I have found the perfect girl to marry.
You have?
Yes!
Congratulations, my son.
Mom, can I? I am ready! This one don't think you carry now.
Sweetheart, I am so happy. I am going to have a beautiful sleep tonight and wake up fulfilled.
Mom, why are you saying all these things?
You will not understand. I used to think that your father's wife cast a spell on my daughters so that none of them would get married. But you have shown to me now that your sister's stupidity is why she is still single. Oh, Mom, I'm happy. What is it? I'm going to make sure that your father spare no expense in making sure that your wedding will be the most magnificent ceremony that has ever happened in this town.
Mom, I think you're moving too fast and you need to slow down.
No, we have to start planning now.
I just told you that you're moving too fast and you need to slow down.
You do.
Oh my word, this is so lovely. Oh, this is beautiful. You're not serious. You're kidding me, right? Oh. Oh my.
Adamo! Adamo!
You know, I think
Adamo!
I'll call you back, please. Call you back.
No, I thought I asked you to get me the list of all the top-notch traditional wedding planners in this town.
But I thought I told you that Excel and the fiancé will take care of that. It's their wedding.
Are you alright?
Of course I'm fine.
I don't want you married. Have you been married before? You have not even gotten any man to propose to you, and you are here telling me who should and who shouldn't plan a wedding? Look, just go and do what I have asked you to do. I want everything to be perfectly done. I am sure you wouldn't want my in-laws to think they are doing us a favor. I want this wedding to be grand, perfect, classy. Emma, come here! Emma!
That was not a nice thing you said to her.
And who asked your opinion?
if you have the need to plan a wedding, you have a daughter. Why don't you plan hers and get your eyes off mine? Hello, wow. Hello, Simenyele. Nyanyelo.
Hello, dear. Yes, again, man. Yes, I'm fine. I'm done with what I was doing.
It's so beautiful. Very peaceful.
Yeah. But it doesn't compare to the one you give me.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. You see, if it means going to the mall to show you how much I love you, I will do that.
You don't have to, because I know how much you love me.
No. You don't have an idea how much I love you.
I don't?
No.
Not an iota. So tell me.
You see, there is no me without you. You are the light of the tunnel of my life. And your love is the light at the end of my tunnel. I would do anything for you.
Now you're going to make me cry. Wait, how?
Did you bedwet?
No, yes, but I don't know how this happened. I mean, it hasn't been long, I just napped off. We slept together countless times, and you know, I don't bedwet. I'm in shock.
It's alright. It's alright, my darling.
Maybe you had so much to drink yesterday and you were too tired to get up. Just chill, it's okay.
I don't have been wet.
I know. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's alright, chill. Let's go.
Wow. So that is how a well-educated young man just got himself hooked with a girl that does not even have a pedigree. Eh? A girl that does not even have anything. Well, it does not even concern me. After all, he did not even ask for my services to find out if the girl was renovated, fairly used, or customized, or even follow come. Yeah? Am I the one getting married? Yeah? What's my business? Yoruba will say, oh, look at me, come me back. Why are you talking to yourself? Was I talking to myself? How many times have I warned you not to ask me questions when I need answers from you? But I did not just ask you any question. Did I commit that crime now? Huh? Anyway, I'm sorry. So what do you want me to do for you this morning? I'm going out in a few minutes. Get my car ready. Your car is ready. I will advise that you go in a few seconds. Minutes is too much. It's ready. If you really want to go out, you just go out in a few seconds. Hey, see the way he's walking bend. From the look of things, it's very obvious that the wife did not even straighten his waist last night. But what's my business? They straighten up, no straighten up. Not consign me. Not my problem.
Where are you going with the car key?
Mom, you asked me to go get the...
Yes, I know! But do you have to go with your sister's car?
Oh my God. But Mom, she said I could use her car because her husband got a new one.
Exactly my point! If you had got married, don't you think your father would have gotten you a car? If your husband couldn't afford it?
Mom, this is not necessary. Simply because you wanted to remind me I haven't gotten married? Is that why you're doing this?
I don't know.
Mommy.
Look for a rich man and get married. And your father will buy you a car. And my dear, if you cannot find a rich man, just get married. Anyhow. Edomo, anyhow. Just get married. And your father will buy you a car.
Mommy. Mom, but this is not fair. Mom.
Are you done shopping?
Yes, I'm taking everything I need.
So, how much is our bill? 16,500. 16,500.
Excuse me, sir. There is something I would like us to take care of, sir.
And what could that be?
Amira Demiaki outside. I was thinking she would be civilized enough to pay for what she... I wouldn't want to say she stole it.
Are you accusing my wife of stealing? Do you know how much I've spent here?
Sir, I didn't mean to embarrass you, sir. I was watching the camera and I know what I saw.
You must be mad.
Sir,
Hey! Say one more thing about my wife, I will lose it and I will do something terrible to you. What's your problem?
it would be better if she can just bring it out herself. At least to save the embarrassment of searching her. Sir.
What is this madman talking about?
I don't have any idea.
Did you take anything?
Of course not. Snobla nowhere. Where Tanya?
Sir, you can just watch the security footage if you want us to. But now you're batching me, you'll see by me time. You'll be soon or not. What do you mean that arena? You will see it there.
Oh, hey, no. Where, look, I don't understand. Where Tanya?
Sir, please, if you want us to play back the security, mark a roll. On your palm side, I can roll my way to better roll. But you see me, just sit up and to my time.
You know, sometimes when a man thinks that he's too smart, he often backfires. Wait a concern. Can you imagine? So you take a married girl when I need to analyze. Girl and I don't even scan. Huh? But anything when you see me, take it to you.
Please. What is going on? What other surprises do you have in stock for me? Please tell me.
I don't know. Nothing.
Say, come, what were you thinking at the supermarket that you stole the lighter? What do you want to use the lighter for? Do you smoke?
No, I don't. I didn't even know when I took the lighter. I don't know why I took the lighter. I do not need the lighter.
Took it!
Something isn't adding up. Something is wrong. Something doesn't make any sense because I didn't know when I took the lighter.
Obviously something you are not telling me.
No.
You had better start saying them now before I lose my mind.
There's nothing. I don't know. Wait, no. Wait.
Comes. Sir, welcome. Our wife, welcome. Aha! Atoka, it don't they happen already. Just when they took get sense. What's shaking now? I made them understand. See there, approach sense different from local sense. They won't try me. Yeah, these are just small. I never frown. Do my face very rude. What? What is this? Why this?
I am going to take time to explain it to you. Go on. That I'm traveling abroad does not mean I will not come back to trash you badly if you give my mom any kind of trouble.
So, Ivy, this is how disrespectful the prospect of going abroad has made you.
If you had any respect, you would have been worshipping my mom for allowing you to come and share her man.
Oh, really?
Yes! And if I were her, I would have given you rat poison long time ago. What?
Yes. Ivy, you are too small. Listen. Listen. Insolent girl. Where is she now? And what are you doing here? Don't you have something good to do with your time?
I walked out and saw you so lost in thought that I'm wondering if everything is fine.
Oh, like it matters to you. Anyway, everything is fine.
What did you hear from Esau and her husband?
Are you expecting any bad news from them? Of course, I heard from them, and everything is wonderfully fine. Thank you for your time, and do have a wonderful day. Busybody.
How come?
It's okay.
Dad, what is the problem?
Son, for the first time in the history of this family, theft has been recorded. And it cannot be in my time that such atrocities can happen.
What? Armed robbers came to this house last night and I did not know?
Nothing like that happened. Your father kept a large amount of pound sterling on his bed. Before he came out from the bathroom, the money was gone.
Son, could that money have developed wings and flew out of the window? Somebody took it and I must get to the bottom of this.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. Somebody took my money.
What are you doing?
My father's money and wristwatch are missing.
And you think I stole them? No! That's unfair. I didn't steal your father's money and wristwatch. It's not nice for you to go into my bag and open it and start to search. I didn't take anything.
What is this doing in your box? No! Tell me. You were about telling me what is fair and what is not fair. Why still thinking about that? Can you tell me what my father's wristwatch is doing in your box?
I didn't mean to take it. I didn't take it. I didn't mean to take it. I went there to tell him something. That's all I remember.
But you stole it!
I didn't steal it. I don't understand how it... I didn't mean to take it.
Hey. Where's my father's money?
I didn't steal his money.
Where's my father's money?
I didn't steal his money. I don't know.
What is going on here? Don't sell it. Let's see. Can somebody tell me what's going on here?
I can't ever face any of them again. Ever.
Essie, it's okay. Okay? It's alright. At least this is your father's house. You can sleep over tonight and tomorrow it'll be all blown over. You can go back. Can you stop crying already?
I stole my father-in-law's wristwatch. Why did I do that?